Hello, and welcome back to Talking Easy channel. We are so happy you are here with us again today.
If you're new, please click subscribe and like this video.
I'm Ella.
And I'm Alex.
On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English, the kind you can actually use in your life.
If you enjoy learning with us, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It helps us so much. Thank you.
Today, we have a warm and fun topic. We're going to learn how to talk about Christmas Day in English.
What we do, what we eat, and how we celebrate with the people we love.
It's going to be a cozy one.
So, how are you today?
I'm feeling wonderful. Just talking about Christmas already makes me think of happy times and soft lights at home. How about you?
I'm excellent, really good. Actually, your question reminds me of the weekend. What did you do? Anything special?
This weekend I visited my parents. It was quiet, but really nice. We just drank tea, talked slowly, and enjoyed being together.
That sounds perfect. My weekend was not so calm. I cleaned my apartment from top to bottom. So much cleaning.
Oh no, but a clean home is a good feeling, right?
Yes, now I can finally relax. But tell me, are you ready for Christmas this year?
Not at all. I still have so many presents to buy. Every year I say I'll start early, and every year I'm shopping on December 24th.
Same here.
Okay, let's jump into Christmas Day itself. When you wake up on Christmas morning, what feels different for you?
The first thing is the quiet house. It's not an empty quiet. It's a happy, excited quiet. I can smell coffee because my dad always makes it early, and sometimes I smell cinnamon in the air.
Cinnamon already makes me feel like Christmas.
Yes, my mom makes cinnamon rolls, so the whole house smells sweet and warm. What about your house?
For me, it's the light. We have a special electric candle in the window that shines all night. When I wake up, the room has this soft, warm glow. It's cold outside, but inside it feels safe and cozy.
I love that feeling. Cold outside, warm inside. Do you wear special clothes on Christmas?
Oh, yes. I always wear my big, cozy socks, the ones with reindeer on them, and a comfortable sweater. Sometimes I choose a really ugly Christmas sweater just for fun.
Ugly Christmas sweaters are the best. I have one with the big cat wearing a Santa hat. It's truly terrible, but I love it.
I would love to see that sweater. After we wake up, my family all meet in the living room. We have one strict rule. No one is allowed to look at the presents until everyone is ready.
We have the same rule. We all have to wait together. It's so hard to wait, but it makes the moment special.
Very hard. So first, we drink coffee or orange juice. We talk a little and move slowly. It's like we are building the excitement step by step.
Then comes the big moment, opening the presents. In my family, the youngest person always opens the first gift. So my little cousin starts. How is it in your family?
We take turns. One person chooses a gift and gives it to someone. We all watch that person open it. Then they pick a gift for someone else. It takes a long time, but it's beautiful because you see everyone's happy face.
That's a lovely tradition for us too. The reaction is the best part. Do you always say thank you in a special way?
Yes, we always say thank you. Even if we don't totally love the present, it's still kind. You say thank you for the thought.
Exactly.
What was your best Christmas present ever?
One year, my parents gave me a bicycle. It was red and shiny, and I was 10 years old. I still remember that feeling of pure joy. That was my best present. What about you?
A telescope. I really wanted to see the stars more clearly. When I got it, it felt magical, like the sky opened just for me.
Now, what about a funny or bad present?
Oh dear. One year, my aunt gave me 10 pairs of the exact same gray socks. They were very practical, but very boring.
That's great. In my family, my uncle gives everyone the same present every year, a calendar with pictures of his dog.
No way!
Yes, every single year, a new calendar. His dog is cute, but now I have a whole collection of dog calendars. It became a funny family tradition.
That is such a charming and silly tradition.
After all the presents are opened and the excitement settles a little, it's time to prepare the big Christmas meal. Do you help in the kitchen?
I try to help, but my mother says I'm not a very good helper. I eat the cheese before it even reaches the table.
So you are a snack helper, not a cooking helper.
Exactly. My official job is to set the table. I put out the plates, forks, knives, and the special Christmas napkins we only use once a year.
That's a nice job. I help with the vegetables. I peel potatoes and carrots. It's simple, a bit boring, but it's a good moment to talk quietly with my mom.
Do you listen to music while cooking?
Always. Christmas songs play on the radio, we sing along, sometimes a little off key, and sometimes we even dance in the kitchen.
My family does the same. My dad loves to dance with the turkey. He holds the roasting pan like it's a dance partner and spins around.
I would pay to see that.
While the food cooks, the whole house fills with the most amazing smell. What do you do to pass the time before eating?
Sometimes we go for a short walk. The air is cold and fresh, the streets are quiet, and everything feels peaceful. Other times we play simple games with the children.
At our house, we often watch a Christmas movie in the morning, something funny that everyone enjoys.
And then, finally, it's time to eat. How do you know when the big moment arrives?
My mother shouts, "Dinner is ready," and everyone runs to the kitchen to help carry the food. It's loud and a little chaotic.
For us, my dad rings a small bell, a clear, gentle sound. Then we all sit down together.
Do you say anything before eating?
Yes, we hold hands and someone says a short thank you for the food and the family. Then we say, enjoy your meal.
We do something similar. And then the eating begins.
You mentioned turkey, potatoes, and sprouts. What's your favorite thing on the plate?
The stuffing. It's my absolute favorite. Bread, herbs, onion, all mixed together and cooked inside the turkey. So flavorful.
Stuffing is delicious. I love the roasted potatoes that are crispy on the outside.
Oh, yes, the crispy potatoes. And of course, gravy. You must have gravy with everything.
Of course, gravy makes everything better. Do you have any special drinks?
The adults sometimes have wine, and the children always get sparkling apple juice. It feels fancy and festive. What about your family?
My grandfather makes a special warm punch with fruit juice and spices. It tastes like Christmas in a cup.
That sounds wonderful.
Now, here comes the classic problem. Eyes bigger than stomach, meaning you take too much food because everything looks amazing, but your stomach can't handle it all.
Exactly. That happens to me every year, but we still save space for dessert.
Dessert is essential. You mentioned Christmas pudding. In my house, we sometimes have pumpkin pie or a big chocolate log cake.
We have the log cake too.
After dessert, everyone is so full we can hardly move.
Same here. We slowly walk to the living room like sleepy animals. The room is usually dark except for the Christmas tree lights glowing softly.
That's exactly how it is for us. Sometimes we just sit there quietly watching the lights. Nobody talks much. We're too full, too warm, too happy.
It's a perfect moment of stillness.
And then, usually, someone falls asleep on the sofa. Usually my dad. He snores just a little.
My granddad does the same.
After we rest, we sometimes play a board game or a card game, something simple and fun. In my family, Uno is popular or a trivia game. It always becomes competitive.
At my house, we often start a big jigsaw puzzle. We work on it for days after Christmas. It's calm and peaceful.
Do you call family who live far away?
Yes, we make video calls. We have an uncle in Australia. It's summer for him, so he's always at the beach on Christmas Day.
Wow, beach Christmas. That's wild. We call my cousin in Scotland. It's freezing there, just like here. It's lovely to see their faces.
Do you give presents to people outside your family?
Yes, to friends. And sometimes we give small gifts to our postman or the people at the local shop, just to say thank you.
That's kind. What about charity? Helping people in need is a big part of Christmas.
Absolutely. My family often donates food or money. It feels right to spread kindness.
Do you go to church on Christmas?
Some years we go to the midnight service, candlelight, quiet music, beautiful atmosphere. On Christmas Day, we sometimes go in the morning too.
We often go in the morning. I love the songs. Silent Night is my favorite.
It's a beautiful song.
Now, let's talk about decorations. One of my favorite parts of Christmas. You have a tree at home, right? What's on it?
We have a mix of old and new decorations. Some are from my childhood, like a tiny paper angel I made in school. We also have shiny balls, soft lights, and a big angel on top.
That sounds beautiful. We have a star on top of our tree and lots of tinsel. You know, the shiny string that reflects the lights. It makes the whole tree sparkle.
I love tinsel. Do you decorate the outside of your house too?
Yes, we put lights around the door and windows, and we hang a big wreath on the front door. A wreath is a circle of leaves and pine cones. It makes the entrance feel warm and welcoming.
Very festive.
In the week before Christmas, do you do any special activities?
Yes, we sometimes go to a Christmas market. They sell hot drinks, small gifts, sweet snacks. It's cold but fun to walk around together. What about your family?
We sometimes go carol singing in our neighborhood. We sing Christmas songs, often for charity. It's simple but meaningful.
Do you bake Christmas cookies?
Always. We bake sugar cookies and decorate them with icing. They look terrible, but they taste amazing.
I'm sure they look better than you think.
Another tradition. Do you watch the King's Speech?
My grandparents never miss it. They watch it every year at 3 p.m. It's their tradition. Do you watch it?
Not really. Our tradition is to watch the same Christmas movie every year. We all know the lines by heart.
Which movie?
Home Alone. The little boy defending his house. It's funny every single time.
A true classic. Now, what about the day after Christmas? Boxing Day.
Boxing Day is for relaxing, eating leftovers, watching more movies, and maybe visiting relatives.
Leftover turkey sandwiches are the best. We also go for a long walk if the weather is okay.
So, for our learners, let's make it simple. Christmas Day is about family, food, decorations, gifts, and traditions.
Yes, and remember, every family celebrates a little differently. There is no perfect or correct way.
Exactly. If someone asks, "How was your Christmas?" you can give a simple answer. "It was lovely. We had a big dinner with my family."
Or you can say, "It was quiet, but nice. We talked on the phone and exchanged gifts."
Now, let's pretend. How was your Christmas?
It was wonderful. My family gathered at my sister's house. The children were so excited about Santa Claus. We had a big lunch, then they played with their new toys. In the evening, we watched a film together. I was tired, but very happy.
That sounds perfect. My Christmas was warm and simple. We exchanged gifts in the morning. My mother cooked a huge turkey, and in the afternoon, we relaxed and played games.
Now that we've shared stories, let's look at a few useful vocabulary words to help our learners describe Christmas better.
First word, celebrate.
To celebrate means to do something special for a happy event.
For example, we celebrate Christmas with a big family dinner.
Next, prepare or preparations. Preparations are the things you do to get ready for Christmas. Buying gifts, decorating the tree, cooking the food.
My mother prepares the big meal.
Another fun word, stocking.
A Christmas stocking is a big decorative sock you hang by the fireplace. On Christmas morning, it's filled with small gifts and candy.
Those small gifts are called stocking stuffers. For example, I got chocolate and pencils as stocking stuffers.
A rich word for food, feast.
A feast is a very large, special meal.
You can say we have a Christmas feast every year.
A useful phrase, look forward to.
It means to feel excited about something in the future.
For example, I look forward to Christmas every year.
Remember the grammar look forward to plus a noun or an ing verb.
Another important word, exchange.
We exchange gifts means we give and receive presents.
And gather.
Gather means to come together.
My family gathers at my grandmother's house every Christmas.
A decoration word, ornaments.
Ornaments are the small objects you hang on the Christmas tree. And finally, tradition.
A tradition is something your family does every year. Traditions can be big or small.
Let's try to use many of these words in one sentence.
Okay, in my family, we gather for a Christmas celebration that starts with preparations for a huge feast. We exchange gifts and fill our stockings with small stuffers. I always look forward to it.
That was perfect! Viewers, try using one or two of these words in a sentence. Write it in the comments. Now, let's do a quick review of what we practiced today.
We talked about Christmas morning, the smells, the excitement, and the quiet magic of waking up.
We talked about opening presents, exchanging gifts, and sharing reactions.
After that, we explored the Christmas feast. Turkey, stuffing, gravy, potatoes, dessert.
We also talked about afternoon traditions, games, movies, walks, calling family, and helping people in need.
And finally, we learned useful vocabulary for talking about Christmas in English.
So now, if someone asks you, "What did you do for Christmas?" you have many ideas to answer confidently.
Here is our question of the day. What is one holiday tradition that you love?
It can be from Christmas, New Year, or any celebration. Write your answer in the comments.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to Talking Easy channel. It helps us continue making warm, simple English lessons for you.
You are doing something wonderful by learning a new language. Be patient, be proud, and keep practicing every day.
We wish you a beautiful holiday season filled with warmth, joy, and peace.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.